what? I have a fun question for you. Let's see if you can answer. Guess what? Why do roosters crow at dawn? It's because of their internal body clock. Roosters have a circadian rhythm that tells them when morning comes, even if the sun is hidden.